package day. Sponsor me tapes.
And this is my sponsor me tape. Ready, go!
Sent me a package and I've been waiting all day to get home to actually unbox this for y'all.
It's time.
So let's just jump straight into that. Let's see what's inside of this package here. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. Anything left in there? First things first, some Mando stickers. We got a couple sticker sheets here. Let's see if I can get that to focus. Got these like VHS tapes. Like one of those are definitely going on the park. Sponsor me tape with some red real grip in the background.
Super sticky.
I love this tape. I've been using it for a while now and it is just everything I could want in a tape. Obviously I gotta do the plug. Go support Sponsor Me Tape. There's their Instagram right there, or their website where you can order some stuff. This is just mind-blowing how many boards are in here. Like, there's a lot of wood.
What do you mean by that?
Alright, let's jump into this. So it looks like these are the soft bushings here. A nice blue color with some black pivot cups and some washers. Other ones here which are black and orange with some washers on there. Alright, now the time that y'all have been waiting for. Oh my gosh.
I'm about to bust.
That all over print is so sick. We have a 32 millimeter bourbon mold here with that all over print. That has some aggressive kicks, a little mellow concave, but one down. Let's keep going. We have a 29 millimeter deck here with a light post logo on it. We have this goldfish falling out of the sky deck, and then this is a 32, and this is actually the mold that I'm skating right now, and it's got some pretty aggressive kicks, some really nice concave. I've been enjoying this deck for about a month now, and I can say that this is by far one of my favorite molds that I've ever used. Next we got this deck here. Let's crack this up. What is that? Thank you, Jared. What a cool way to find out that you just got our new sponsor. Just a little hidden note in there. That is so sick. Dude, I am so excited. I'm speechless. I really am. I am speechless right now. Thank you so much for this, for everything that you sent me. This is my favorite design out of all of the ones that I've looked at so far. We just got some cats playing some different instruments.
Look at him. That's one fucking nice kitty right there.
Oh, and it's on the 33 millimeter whiskey mold. This has got some very aggressive kicks with some awesome concave. We got this wood grain, Decatur deck on the canal mold. This one is a 32 millimeter mold too. Looks like it's got a little bit lower of a kick on the rear. Same, maybe a little bit more low, like shallower on the nose. Still got some decent concave though. I like that one. That is definitely going to be a contender to set up because it's got some cool concave and kick mixture. I'm super excited to try that one. This one actually had a piece of grip with it. You gotta always have some grip. Looks like we got some more there, but we'll talk about that in a second. Ooh, alright. This is definitely top 3 boards out of this pack. Once again, I'm biased because it's the white board. Just like that one, it's definitely going to be top 3 for me. And this is on the Carlton mode. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correct. And this one has shallower kicks, deep concave, and this one might be a contender to set up too. 34 millimeter, 97 length on there. I really can't even express how grateful I am for every single one of these, including this deck here. So thank you once again, Jared. You are the man for all of this. I appreciate you. And then we have some grip here, and then we have a green piece of real grip. And once again, Jared, thank you so much for all of this here. I really can't even believe that this is a reality now, and that I have so many boards to try, so many things to put together. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Look out for that board coming up soon in the future videos. I cannot wait to set this up, so I'm going to end this video here. Y'all have a great rest of your night, day, whatever time it is while you're watching this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and go check out Sponsor Me Tape and grab something from them, because once again, you will not be disappointed.
Damn, shit's purple. Super sticky.
I just wanted to say you don't have to worry about me, 'cause I'm never gonna have sex.
Oh, Bobby, now don't say that.